Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Hari ini kita akan sambung kepada classes of carbon and classes of hydrogen. Okay, classes of carbon atoms only involved in saturated carbon. Saturated carbon is sp3. What does it mean, sp3? It means that this one is for single bond carbon atom only. Double bond, triple bond, we didn't class the carbon atom. Carbon atom can be classified as primary. Okay, primary, not 1 degree. Some people will call this symbol 1 degree. No, it means primary. You are going to read it primary. Secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Okay, you'll see better with the next slide. Okay, primary carbon. Primary carbon means that this carbon only attached to one carbon. Okay, so we can label it primary carbon. Okay, secondary carbon. Okay, this one is primary. Secondary carbon means that the carbon here is attached to two more carbon. Okay, attached to two carbon. Okay, or sometimes we call this carbon is attached to two alkyl chain, because this one can be methyl, ethyl, propyl, and so on. Okay, this one maybe hydrogen or maybe Cl. Okay, but it doesn't matter because carbon is classed based on how many carbon that it is attached to. Okay, so tertiary, how many carbon that it should attach to? So it should be 3. So 3 carbon attached. So this one should be tertiary. And the last one, quaternary, which have 4 carbon atom. Okay, so I hope you get the idea for this one. So very easy. So quaternary. Okay, so let's try to indicate and state separately the class of carbon atom in the following molecule. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, this carbon is attached to only one carbon. 3 of it is hydrogen. So this one is primary. The same thing for this one. So actually, all that is colored yellow is primary. Okay, all these are primary. This one attached to 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one will be quaternary. This one attached to 1, 2, 3 carbon and 1 H. So this one is tertiary. This one attached to 2 carbon and 2 hydrogen. So this one is secondary. This one attached to 1, 2, 3. So tertiary. And this one attached to 2 carbon and 2 hydrogen. So this one is secondary. Okay, so that is classes of carbon. Okay, a proper writing label shown here. Okay, next one. Okay, what about this one? Okay, the same thing. Carbon. This carbon, how many carbon it is attached to? So this one, 1. So primary. This one is 2. 2H and 2 carbon. So secondary. This one 3. 1, 2, 3. Tertiary. This one 1, 2. The whole thing here is alkyl chain. The whole thing here is alkyl chain and it is attached to carbon. So secondary. This one quaternary. This one primary. 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 Okay, so that is the classes of carbon atom for this compound. Oh, we miss out this one. This one actually primary. Secondary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. Okay, so that is all the label. Okay, take note. No classification in methane and multiple bond. Okay, why? Because methane, there is no carbon attached to, so we didn't classify for this one. No, because it is not attached to one carbon. Okay, 2-butene. Okay, that one we can classify primary. At the end here, we can classify primary. But what about the one with the double bond? Okay, this one is not correct. Okay, this one is not correct. Why? Because the double bond is not sp3. This one is actually, if you still remember from last semester, this one is sp2. the hybridization is sp2. So no, we didn't classify for sp2 sp3d structure. No, we only use the classes of carbon atom for sp3. This one is sp3 because everything is single bonded. Okay, what about hydrogen? This time hydrogen, classes of hydrogen atom. This one a little bit different because hydrogen atom is class depending on the type of carbon atom. Okay, so primary hydrogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom. Okay, so secondary hydrogen atom actually is a hydrogen atom attached to secondary carbon. So classes of hydrogen depends on the class of the carbon. Okay, so let's see for this one. Quaternary carbon. Okay, so for quaternary carbon, carbon here already have 4 bonding, so there are no more hydrogen can be attached to this carbon, to this central carbon. So there are no quaternary hydrogen. Okay, no hydrogen, so there are no quaternary hydrogen. So that's why for classes of hydrogen atom, it is only up to tertiary only. Okay, only up to tertiary. So this is the maximum hydrogen class that you can find. There are no quaternary hydrogen. Okay, so how many? Primary, secondary, tertiary hydrogen. Okay, the answer is already given, but let us see where. Okay, this one, if we expand the structure, okay, let us expand the structure. C H H H C H C H. Okay, so let us classify the carbon first because the hydrogen depends on the class of the carbon. Okay, so this is primary, this is tertiary because there are 3 carbon, 1 2 3. This is primary, this is secondary because there are 2 carbon attached to this carbon. This carbon have 2 carbon, and this one is primary. So the classes of hydrogen depends on the class of the carbon. So because this carbon is primary, so this one also primary. Primary. Okay, this one also primary hydrogen, primary hydrogen, primary hydrogen. The same thing for this one, primary hydrogen, primary hydrogen, primary hydrogen. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Where is one more? Primary. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9. Okay, so correct. This one is 9. Okay, 3 3 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so next one is tertiary. Tertiary how many? So only 1 hydrogen. Okay, correct. Secondary 2. Okay, this one secondary. Why is it secondary hydrogen? Because this hydrogen is attached to carbon that is secondary. So there are 2. Okay, so this one is quite easy for you to understand. So that's it for today. So you can try to answer the question that I will provide in the classes later. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Like and subscribe.